What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So today in the world of Steam Boss, we're on our way to a carpet job. The customer said it's pretty rough, so we'll see when we get there, but should be interesting. Let's go. All right, guys. So we are in a vacant unit today, doing a move-in for a new tenant. So right off the bat, you guys can see where all the wear is. There must have been obviously something in the middle of this room here. It almost looks like a bed, even though this is the main living area. But so we have a pretty bad wear pattern here. This is pretty dark. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking it up, but obviously a lot of traffic pattern through here. In here, not too bad. A little bit of a wear pattern, but I don't see any really bad stains or anything. It looks like we might have something, you know, kind of here by the bathroom door there, kind of mystery. This is a fairly small unit, just a little condo. We have a hallway here, pretty good wear pattern in here. And then this room's not too bad. However, we do have some mystery brown stain over here, so we'll have to see what that is. But overall, not too bad. So we're gonna give it a good pre-spray, a good CRB, hit it with the hot water extraction, and I think it's gonna come out pretty nice. By the way, if you guys aren't already, if you could please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We really appreciate that. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, so help us get there, hit that subscribe button. Unfortunately, the worst part about doing these kind of jobs is the fact that we can't park close. So let's see, I don't know if you guys can even see that. Yep, we're way out there, so pretty long hose run.
Okay, we're cleaning a dirty apartment rental here today. Got our work cut out for us. We only got one urine spot, and it's not a really heavy one. So what I like to use on a spot like that is Sager's Odor Oxy. Love the smell too, Mango Burst. But all we do is just mist it on, and we don't have to wait the half hour or 45 minutes for the spot to disappear.
A few moments later.
So that's about a 45-second dwell time right now. If you look down, it's virtually gone here already. So the product works really quick. This is a situation where I really love using this product.
We also use it on the brown stains that we saw earlier. If you guys remember that they were over here. Still there, but a lot later than they were.
Perfect.
It's looking pretty good, so I'll catch up with you guys when we get a little bit more of this done, and let's see how she looks. All right, so we got Bill, CRB, and the rest of that over there. Over here, I just wanted to show you guys, so this has been pre-treated and scrubbed, and we've used the Odor Oxy on those stains. If you guys remember at the beginning of the video that were right here, the brown stains. They are virtually, I don't even see where they are anymore. So they are pretty much gone. So obviously the pre-treatments and stuff like that are very important when dealing with things like this. Already looks way better and we haven't even cleaned it yet. Turning out pretty good. I see a big difference here. All right, so it turned out really well. I know the landlord is gonna be very happy with it. So this is what we ended up with. Now, you can kind of still see the traffic pattern over here and over here, but overall, a lot of dirt came out of this carpet and it is much better. And this was by no means new carpet. He just wanted to freshen it up, I should say, to make it look great for the next tenant. So it's definitely clean, that is for sure, and it does look way better. So everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. I wanna throw something together really quick for you guys, because I do like to keep posting whenever we can, just to say what's up to y'all and hope y'all are doing great out there. Like I said, guys, please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Don't forget to check out our other social media accounts on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And as usual, we'll see all you guys and gals on the next video. Peace.